welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about Fiancé visa, or also known as K1 visa. First of all, what is Fiancé visa or K1 visa, and who can apply for this type of visa? Fiancé or K1 visa is a non-immigrant visa which is entitling your foreign fiancé to enter the United States of America so that you can guys get married. Who can apply for this? This is applicable to those who are U.S. citizen again, U.S. citizen who has a foreign fiance that lives or outside or is in outside of the country or the United States of America as of right now. This is the visa that you wanted for your foreign fiance so that you can have a life together. Let me brief you on how the process works. This is all based in my experience, so it might not be the same process on what's going to happen to other people. It's a case-to-case basis. First of all, you have to file a petition for alien fiance, which is the I-129F. That's a paperwork that you need to fill out. This is for the petitioner, which is the U.S. citizen who is applying for her or his foreign fiance. You need to submit I-129F. You can find this form in uscis.gov. That's the actual website that you can download. After that, you have to gather all the supporting documents that is needed for the I-129F. There's a little bit of a lot. It's a lot. It's not just a form that you have to fill out and then submit it to them. No. And after you submit the I-129F together with those supporting documents, you'll submit the I-129F to the USCIS office. They'll notify the US citizen petitioner that they received the form, the mail that you guys sent them. They're gonna give you a notification. That's what you call NOA1, because there's two of it. NOA1 is like a receipt, the saying that they received your mail, your application, whatever you sent them, and then they received the money. Of course, there's a fee for it. It's not a joke. It's kind of expensive. And then they're going to review the mail that you sent them, review it. They're gonna do a background check on it, whatever they have to do. That's their job. And once they said you're good and then they approved it, that's when you're gonna see. That's where they are going to send you NOA2. So NOA, again, Notice of Action Part 2. This will be the one telling you if you got approved for the petition or if you need further supporting documents that they want, or you've been denied. Once you receive the Notice of Action, the second, or NOA2, and you got approved, that will lead you to the second step. Well, the process, so the USCIS reviewed it, right, and you got approved. Now they're going to send it to the NVC, which is the National Visa Center, and then now the NVC will review again all your papers, review. So it's gonna take a while. Be patient on this one. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot of waiting as well, but it will take you only like an average of 6 months. 6 months or less than a year for your fiancé to come over to the US. It's not bad. When the NVC is done reviewing your case or your mail, your application, they're going to approve it. Well, they're not going to give you any notice, but NVC will now transfer all your files or your documents that you submitted them to the country of where your fiance is living. Now, when the home country of your fiance received it, I meant the NVC of your fiance's home country, they will send a mail to your fiance saying that you are now eligible, or you are now eligible to do an interview with them. Now, once your fiance receives that from their home country, that doesn't mean that you can just go ahead and do the interview with the consul. Nope. Let's start when he or she received this mail. Now he or she can apply for the visa, the actual visa. Of course, there's going to be a fee. There's like different ways how to pay for the visa, so you can just look it up on the website. Before the interview, you have to make sure that you have all the requirements. There's a lot of requirements as well, like prerequisites to go to the actual interview. So in my case, they want him to have a police clearance of papers saying that he's never been married, or he's currently single, not currently married. You know, it all depends on the home country of your fiance. And then the medical, your fiance needs to go to a medical, undergo medical, which is not everywhere. Like, you can just go to a hospital that you wanted and then, you know, perform the medical requirement for the US Embassy for that. No, they are the one who's going to tell you where exactly the hospital that you want you to do your medical. And now when your medical is done, that's when you can go to your interview. How the interview works, you have to have an appointment. You have to set an appointment. In my case, or in my husband's case, he had to set an appointment online. And on the interview, of course, you have to make him or her, your fiance, bring all the information, or I meant the documents that you think the consul might need or may ask during their interview. You don't want to have a hiccup on this. This is just like a one shot or else you're gonna come back again. Hopefully not.
And that will be it for today's topic. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped you with that. I will be doing a next video about how I filed my K1 petition, so stay tuned and hit that subscribe button.